What's up, guys? Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. My name is Logan. Today, got some big thunder. Look at this. Boy, look at it. Look at it. We get some big thunder. Big thunder right now. Guys, listening to this? Boy, look at the street. Whoa. Let's listen. Listen. Shh. Boy. Grant, I'm gonna post this on Logan's Gaming. Whoa. Guys, it is like really bad out here. Boy. Man, I'm gonna post this on Logan's Gaming.
Why?
You say I can post whatever I want on there. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Boys. Huge one. It's like constant. It's constant thunder right here. This is what we're experiencing right now. Guys, have you guys ever had a worse thunderstorm than this? I don't think we have. Like a few years ago, like we had a 10-second lightning strike, and like 3 seconds later, boom, a huge pound of thunder just raced. Literally shook our entire house right there. Whoa, okay, guys, gotta listen.
I think.
You got to listen. Come on, Daddy. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. Oh wow. It is actually pretty bad. Guys, we're supposed to be getting some pink too. Oh, this is crazy. Guys, this is... Oh, wait, no, Dad, I'm
Close the
filming.
door, sweetie.
Alright. Guys, this is so beautiful. It hasn't rained in like a few weeks, so we definitely needed it. Whoa. I almost got struck there. Let's listen. I felt it. My house literally just, my entire house literally just like shook. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Alright guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. You guys got some good footage already. Actually no, we might as well keep on filming because I don't want to miss on any big lightning strikes. But now it's starting to get light. Like look, sky. Guys, don't worry, I'm standing really far from outside so then I don't get struck by lightning.
Jay, can you hear me?
This is actually like really cool.
Alright, what?
Are our lamps?
Check my headset. Check my
I should probably.
headset
Whoa.
died,
Okay, I should.
So I'm just talking to you through voice chat on my phone.
Yeah, I should. I should definitely stand back.
Headset still.
Starting to get calmed down now. The thunder's still rolling. Guys, this is literally insane. Still kind of raining, but it ain't gonna stop us from filming.
Brandon, the water is sort of coming down the harbor.
Yeah, I think it's about to end. Rain is stopping. It used to be like pouring like all the way. This is. Ooh, got some more thunder. Okay, okay. I see you. I see you, Rain. Guys, be sure to go follow me on my TikTok account at Logan's Life too.
I feel Anthony's door. I feel Tyler Boyd.
Oh guys, I feel we're gonna end the video right here. So thanks so much for watching. Yeah, peace out.